Guys, welcome to my channel called NanoTech. Today I'll show you how to fix the problem broken display stand is laptop HP 15 series laptop.
Please guys, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for new video notification. Thank you.
15-P217NX. This laptop, you can see, is broken. The display stand, you can see, it's totally broken. So now I will show you how to fix this, and it will be work very good and look like new. So guys, first you have to remove this display cover. And now you can see, and guys, you see it's total broken, you cannot make screw. So first you have to fix that. Okay guys, now you have to fitting this first. Take up the display and fitting this first. You have to fitting this very well and tighten screw. Okay, now guys, I have a glue M-seal, you know this M-seal glue. Now I will take it to item same size and make it soft. Okay, I take both color same. First you have to mix this, take some water and mix this. You mix this sort of color and make it soft. You can see it has become very soft now. You can see it's 100% mixed. Finish. Clean your hand first. Okay, now take this. Guys, you have to keep it 12 hours like this, don't move. After, you can see it's done, 100% working. You can see this laptop after 12 hours become very strong, and see the movement not looking. It was fixed by the M-seal glue. You see it is very strong now. I'm giving you 5 years warranty, not broken again from here. Maybe broken this side but not will broke this side. Very strong now. Thank you guys. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for the new video notification.